What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Jesse W. And today we're going to go over a little review on the WeBull broker. Check it out. Well, guys, I'm going to bring up the WeBull app on my phone real quick just to show you what it looks like on the phone. Then we're going to jump on over to the web platform area so we can discuss that. Now, what is WeBull? WeBull is a stock trading app just like Robinhood, for example, but it has many more tools, and it even has paper trading. You can literally paper trade on this app. You can't paper trade on Robinhood. So now on WeBull, here's what the app looks like. Let's see here. Oh, I don't want to show that because it has my phone number. Here is what the app looks like, more or less. Okay, don't know. It's so hard to get this camera to focus. There we go. Okay. Now I know, I'm sure there's a better way to screen capture my phone, and maybe I'll learn it, but I wanted to make this video for you real quick. And here is a little promotion. Let's see if we can see it. Free stock. You see it says my free stock. Let's try to move that again. There we go. My free stock. Well, if you sign up with my link in the description section below, if you sign up with that link, you'll earn a free stock. You'll earn 2 free stocks, actually. One, I think, is just for opening up an account, and the second one is for funding your account with $100. You'll also have the ability to, depending on how you fund your account, earn the chance to win a $1,500 gift card. And the stocks that you get, the 2 free stocks, one of them could be valued up to $1,500 or $1,400 in that range. So it's a win-win. I mean, if you open up an account, you get a free stock. If you deposit, I think it's $100, you get a free stock. So free stock equals free money. I don't know about you, but I like free stuff if I can get it. And if I can get it just by signing up, I do it. And that's exactly how I ended up on WeBull. And I started looking through the app, guys, and it's really, really well done. Like, the app itself is much more intuitive, has many more tools than Robinhood does. So I'm really liking this, and I think I might start to mess around with it a little bit. Obviously not for day trading. You guys know I take my day trading extremely serious. This is not something I would recommend for day trading ever, but for picking up some long-term stuff or maybe even a swing trade here and there, it doesn't look too bad. So it's something to definitely look into. Now what we're going to do is we're going to jump in over on the detail side on the web portal part, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the web portal or the website. You can log in right here. You can also, check out pricing. Obviously, it's $0 commission, so there's no commissions, that you have to pay when you trade on here. That's great. There is margin interest, so you do have a fee on margin, 6.9% on your annual margin rate. So there's always that. There's short setting fees for short positions. So you have that as well. So you do have those smaller fees that you got to keep in mind and take a look at if you're doing something a little bit more serious like short selling or using margin. So if you're just trading on a cash account, you have 0 trading commissions. And even if you're trading on the margin account, it's 0 trading commissions. You just have to worry about your margin fees, as you saw. Now, the web platform itself, you have, here it is. The web platform itself is pretty damn cool looking, as you can tell right here. You have your montage, so you can place your orders, the type of orders you want to do, good to cancel for the day, your limit price, you want to get in market, stop orders you can place in here. All of this, it's really, really well done. You have your chart here, okay, with your candlesticks. You have it up to, the year. So it's really damn good in that sense. You have your watch list here you can set up, which is really good. Here you would have your net account value if you log in. So you have a number of tools. Here's more charting that's available, withdrawing tools. I mean, this is pretty damn good, guys. So it's not too bad at all in that sense. You can draw trend lines. So yeah, that's pretty easy, right? You just draw your quick trend line right there. Let me make myself smaller. Yeah, when you've drawn a lot of trend lines, you can draw them fairly easy. So that's always nice to be able to do. You see, you can add this to your watch list. If you right-click, add notes, reset the chart. You have your different indicators here, your study tools. So you have volume, RSI, MACD, VWAP, Bollinger Bands. You have everything. So much. This is actually really, really cool system that they have here. I really like it a lot. Let's go ahead and back out of there and see what else we have. Well, here we have, different like markets. Like these are the indices. Here you have Dow Jones, S&P right here, NASDAQ. So that's really cool to see. You have your stock screeners. You can set up some stock screeners so you can, monitor what you want to watch, what you want to see pull up, anything that you are looking for, high volume, breaking high days, stuff like that. You could probably program in here. Let's see what else here. Here's where you would trade and your account, obviously. And here's the paper trading account, which is pretty cool. Let me see here. Can we just paper trade without an account? That'd be pretty interesting if you could. Oh, you'd have to log in. I was going to click buy, see what happened. But you'd have to log into to paper trade. And so that's pretty interesting that you could do that. I don't really think you could do that on Robinhood. So Robinhood, watch out. So, it's really cool, like where you input your orders, where you trade. It's really cool. It has very intuitive, has a lot of tools there. You can paper trade, which is awesome for free. And then you have, you can download the apps for Mac and Google Play for Windows, etc. You can download that. Then you have, obviously your help section, which is pretty interesting because they actually have a phone number on here, something that I've never been able to locate for Robinhood. So that's already a nice win right there. And then you have the frequently asked questions section. So let's see here, accounts. Now, there's something here to be said that I just discovered. If you trade on Robinhood, pre-market starts at 9 a.m. If you trade on E-Trade, pre-market starts at 7 a.m. Now, mind you, I would not trade with E-Trade if they only had a web software for me to use to trade. I like to trade with an actual software on my computer. That's why I use E-Trade Pro. So what I'm saying with that is that I'm not going to use WeBull to day trade. I'm not going to do that. However, E-Trade 7 a.m. pre-market, Robinhood 9 a.m. pre-market. What's the pre-market on WeBull, you might ask? Well, check this out real quick here. Where is it? Can I trade in pre-market and post-market with my WeBull account? WeBull allows you to trade during extended trading hours, including pre-market and after hours. Pre-market trading hours are from 4 a.m. till 9:30 a.m. 4 a.m. At 4 a.m., you can start trading in pre-market with WeBull. That is freaking awesome right there, let me tell you. How many times have you been in a swing trade and woken up at 4 or 5 a.m., taking a look, and your swing trade is up super nice, only for you to wait until 7 a.m. or 9 a.m. and then get a nasty drop and sell into a loss or a very small profit? Well, if you did the swing trade on WeBull, you can get out of that thing at 4 a.m. if you want. After hours trading is obviously 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So that's good. I think, if I'm not mistaken, Robinhood closes its after hours at 6 p.m. So that's really cool to see. Now, to deposit and withdraw, it's the same thing as any other account. You're going to link your bank account, you're going to transfer the money in, and that's it. So far, I'm really liking this WeBull. You have pre-market trading at 4 a.m. You have free paper trading. You have zero commission charges. The margin isn't that bad at all. So there's a lot to like about this. There's a lot of tools for you to use on your charts. So, it's very, very intuitive. You have the phone app, which is what it really was all about when it launched. And on the phone app, let's go ahead and see what we have as far as charting goes. So on the phone app, you do have free paper trading right there. Not sure if it's focusing in there, but you do have paper trading. I have $1 million in my paper trading account, so I can paper trade on here. Now, so on the charting on the mobile app, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. The charting on the mobile app also has indicators, and you can adjust them and do whatever you want and add indicators. You can add VWAP, you can add volume, you can add MACD, you can add RSI, you can add all this to the chart on your actual phone, which is awesome because Robinhood doesn't have that, at least that I know of. If it does have it on their mobile app, let me know. Put it in the comment description, section below, and let me know, hey, Jesse, you're wrong. Robinhood does have it in the mobile app, and here's where you go to get it. So that'd be cool so I can find out, but I don't think it has it. I haven't seen it. You have candlesticks. You also have the news, news, like a news scanner for it, so it'll drop news for you on where you're trading, stock predictions. Then you have a comment section, like social media type comments on the bottom. You can post as well about it, so it's really good. I mean, this app is so jam-packed full of stuff. For a free app, it's really damn good. Something for you guys to definitely check out. I mean, you're gonna get a free stock, so you just go to the description section, click the link, download the app to your phone, get your free stock. If you want to add $100 to your account to get another free stock, you can do that. And you can also follow whatever else it prompts you to do, so that you can be entered into the raffles for the bigger prizes. And then you can mess around with the app and paper trade. Like, you can do everything from here. It's pretty cool. I like it better than Robinhood. It's definitely having more tools, more options, user friendly, more free stuff. So check it out. Let me know if you're using it, or if you're going to start using it, or after you download it, what you think. Or if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this quick little review of this new, pretty neat app. And remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next.